Hey guys, what's up? Check this thing out. It's a Monster Bluetooth FM transmitter. This is for cars that do not have Bluetooth. So if you don't have Bluetooth capabilities in your car and you want to be able to play music wirelessly from your phone in your car, then this is the thing to get right here. I got this at Walmart for $10, and basically what you do is you plug it into your car and it'll send out a radio signal that you will tune in to with your car radio, and then from there you can connect your phone to the device here, and it will play music from here through the radio into your car. So it makes your car Bluetooth. And it also has an aux port, so you can play music through an auxiliary cable. And so let's just check this thing out. Like I said, $10 at Walmart. You can probably get them somewhere else too if you can't find them at Walmart. But so it also has two USB charging ports for fast charging. So there's a rapid charging, dual USB ports. Only one of them is a faster charger, as you can see. One of them is 1.4 amps and then the other one is 2.1 amps. So this also has a built-in microphone, so you can take calls on it, which is pretty nice. So you have hands-free calling, and it includes an auxiliary cable. Monster, as you guys may know, is a pretty good brand for audio things. They make speakers and headphones, so it's a pretty good brand. So on the back here we have more specs. Like I said, hands-free calling, Bluetooth, USB charging, aux cable, fast charging, FM radio, and hi-fi stereo sound. So this actually does sound really good when you use it in the car. Like, you don't get bad or worse quality sound when you use this through the radio, which I thought it wouldn't sound as good, but it actually does sound really good. So that is always great. We're gonna open it up now. Alright, first thing you get, standard little auxiliary cable, and this is all you get in the packaging. So right here, let's see, focus. Alright, here is the front of the device. So once you plug this into your car like that, then there's a little screen here that lights up, and it will give you options for the FM radio. So you can choose what radio wave, what frequency you want the radio to put out at on this device, and then you can tune your car radio into that frequency that you choose here, and then play music. So as you can see, you can play music through this USB port as well if you have a Apple device, and then you have play and pause, also answer and end calls. Then you have skip, go back and skip forward, and then this is mode, so you can go from aux to USB to Bluetooth mode. And FM, you press that to like set your frequency that you want to connect your car to. So that's pretty much all you have here. Build quality is, it's plastic, it's kind of a cheap build quality, but definitely works good, and for $10 you can't not beat it. Right here's the microphone. You can see those little three dots, and then aux port. So if you want to play music, you can just plug the cord in right there, and then plug this into your phone, and boom, you're gonna have to change the mode to auxiliary mode. But so that's all you got there. You got the Monster branding right on top, and that's all you have. So if you guys want to make your car Bluetooth, if it does not have Bluetooth capabilities, this is a cheap, easy, fast way to make your car Bluetooth for $10. So I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you guys, and I'll see you next time.